What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dudes Love Lulu. My name is Tony, and this is going to be an interesting one. This is called the Accedo Pant. Accedo. It does say Lulu Lab, so I don't know if these are where they came from. I found them, and I'm not 100% sure what they are. They look super comfortable. They look like something I would enjoy, so I picked them up. I was able to pick them up because I do work for Lululemon's head office in downtown Vancouver, so I do have to show that affiliation. But they just look like a really comfy pant to wear around the house. Again, for all my measurements, they're in the description down below. Here they are. Let's go try them on. Okay, so here are the Accedo pant. They're a very interesting looking pant, just with, it's like a light gray colorway. Now, first off, on the front, you do have a fake fold. There is also no drawstring, no belt loops, nothing. It's just elastic waistband. On the right pocket, it's basically just a normal pocket. However, on the left pocket, it's a pocket. Then you also have a zipper on the inside as well to put whatever you want in there. Nothing on the back. Also on the bottoms here, you do have a small zipper for that 3/4 length if you did want to go up or whatever your plan is on there.